sword fighter, huge toy collecting meanings, good or bad or giving their dues, restorations on memories.
Hello everyone, Salt Rider here, and I'm here to unbox a parcel that's arrived today. And here it is. So as you can see, this is an item from Show Z store. I have used Show Z before, but that was from AliExpress and not direct. So this is the first time I've ordered with them direct. And I was a bit shocked really, because I only ordered this package on the 8th. I knew there was a Chinese holiday, I think it was, around that time. So I wasn't expecting it anytime soon. Maybe towards the end of this week, definitely next week. But I had an email today from Hermes saying it was on its way. And I was a bit shocked because I didn't realise it would be Hermes who was delivering it. Maybe assumption it'd be Royal Mail. The tracking basically said it had departed China. I think it's China anyway. And it has been updated since, so I was shocked to know this has arrived. Now, Hermes, in all of their top-notch service that they provide, through my item, which is in excess of £100, over the fence, which is great of them. But luckily, it seems like Shows they have really packaged this well. So, shall we open this up and see what I've got? So, I can already tell that this is got a phone inside, which is great. In fairness, whenever you order anything like this from Show Z, I have ordered some stuff before. But as I say, it was direct to AliExpress. This is the first time that I've gone direct with them, and to be honest, with the service that they provided, to get it here in about a week is pretty good. I can't fault it. And as you can see, it is packaged up pretty well. So, got it out of the polystyrene prison, packaged really well. So kudos to Show Z. Wow. I have got a 3A Bumblebee. I know Bisto Yeti picked up one of the only two that were at TFN, and it was on top of my list. And I know that Dave Shotton's picked one up recently, and he's got a video coming that's going to be loads better than my video on it. But yeah, I picked up a 3A Bumblebee, which I am so excited about. A little story without being too morbid and going into too much detail. I really wanted this piece because it reminds me of my nan. I lost my nan in February this year, and one of the last times we were alone together was she was in hospital, and it was before visiting time. So I decided I'd go and watch the Bumblebee movie. I went on my own to watch it at the cinema right by the hospital in Wolverhampton. And I saw the movie. It finished just before visiting time. I went and spent a couple of hours with her. And that was one of the last times we were alone together. And it's a powerful memory. Obviously, it's a sad memory because it's the last time I was with my nan, but also we laughed in the hospital, and I went and found her a food because she was complaining, and the clock was wrong on the wall and she thought it was later than what it actually is. And obviously Transformers are a massive part of my life, and always have been a massive part of my life, but that film means so much to me for those reasons, and I never knew it at the time. I love the film. I think it's exactly what a Transformers film should be about, and it just reminds me of that day. And I really wanted a true representation of Bumblebee, and this is it. So I am completely excited to have this. And again, kudos to Show Z. Got a little bit of damage on the box, a little bit of damage there, but they've done a good job of making sure that this is packaged really well. And again, we've got some damage on the corner of the box there. But that is from Hermes, unfortunately. But never mind. I'm not a minting box collector, but it's still not the best, really, is it? From Hermes. I'm not having a go at shows they use them because the package is up great. This is just mishandling from Hermes. So there he is in all his glory. Excuse the glare. It is beautiful. It is really, really beautiful. I'm going to open him up. I'm going to be gentle with him because I know he needs a little bit of assembly. But we'll take him out and have a quick look of it. Look at that inside. Look at that artwork there. You've got a logo on the back. Let's take him out and have a quick look. And out of the box, here he is. He's beautiful. Wow. Wow. This thing is stunning. And the paint on it, the sculpt on it is absolutely phenomenal. And Dave Shotton's warned me. He's basically said, don't take it out of the box straight away and start pulling it about. So what does he do? He takes it out of the box and starts pulling it about. It's perfect. It's the absolute perfect representation of Bumblebee. It's exactly what I wanted. I know there's a switch back here, I believe, for his lights. We need to put his doors on, obviously. I don't know if we have better than me. Yeah. But wow, look at that face. It's amazing. It's such a beautiful, beautiful figure. It comes with some. Let's put him there, shall we? It comes with a number of accessories. It comes with some small doors for the back, some larger doors. So I think that's so you can have the more that kind of look going on. I think we have his battle mask. We have his gun, which is really nicely done. And we have a number of hands. I think there should be, yeah, we've got open hands, normal hands, lots of hands. And then on top of that, we have an instruction manual, a warranty on a toy, a warranty, mental, and his display base, which is really nice, but I don't think he actually needs it. So what I'll do is I might take a few photos of this, stick it at the end of the video, and if you want a full review then please let me know. But this has been, finally, my 3A Bumblebee. So happy he's arrived. Until next time, I'm Zort Rider. Catch you again soon.
Our love's enough, transcending us through space and time.